welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video because I am going to be doing an unboxing, and this package is actually from my really good friend. She's my YouTube bestie, Alexandria Hicks. I'll link her channel down below. Go to her channel because I actually sent her a box and we are including it in our Vlogmas video. So, funny story about my box that I sent to her. We had talked about doing this in November, and so we went out and we sent each other boxes on the same day. And then the Canada Post went on strike, and so basically my box got sent to her, but then somehow it got sent back and I've never seen it again. So sadly my box to her was lost, so I sent her another box which just arrived to her yesterday, so we can finally do the unboxing together, and I didn't want to open it until she got hers. So she packaged it really, really nice, but I'm kind of protecting our identification here by covering up the addresses on here. So I'm going to just pull off this beautiful wrapping that she wrapped it in. I am so excited. Okay. Oh, one last piece. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, she's to my YouTube bestie. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, she has a picture of a bulldog. Oh, and it's got these dogs on the inside. Oh, that is so cute. I see some color. Okay, here we go. Ooh, what the? Cold brew coffee bags. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Alex is so into her cold brew, and I've never actually tried cold brew because in my mind I'm just like, I've always been like a hot coffee drinker, but now I can actually try this. I love this. I'm actually so excited to try this, and now that I'm on like the holiday break, I feel like this is a good time to like actually make this. I don't know why that makes sense in my head, but it does. Yes. Oh my goodness. Pumpkin tortilla chips. Oh my gosh, she knows the way to my heart. Trader Joe's. I've never even heard of this. Trader Joe's pumpkin tortilla chips. Ooh, crafted with simple ingredients. Pumpkin puree, pumpkin seeds, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Okay, I'm like busting into these right now. I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Look, pumpkin chips. These are delicious. Birthday cake popcorn. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm opening this one right now because birthday cake is like for real my favorite. See, the thing about Canada is it really doesn't have a lot of stuff that America doesn't have. This is good. Wow. This is tasty. I'm gonna like eat the whole thing. She sent me a mug. Target. I love this. Oh my gosh, she is so sweet. I love this. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna put that right there. Can you see that? That's so pretty. Ooh, pumpkin biscotti. Now, can you eat biscotti? I know you eat biscotti with hot coffee, but can you eat it with cold brew? That is my question. Ooh, that looks so good. I love anything pumpkin. Here's a little note. Know you have tummy issues too, and you get the worst migraines, which is true. So I put together these blends to take the pain away. Tummy tamer, roll over tummy, and on areas on your left foot. Migraine relief, roll on the back of the neck and cross forehead. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. So she's also really into oils, so that's all on her channel. If you're into oils, go check her out. She's been posting about these Christmas blends, and I'm like, Christmas blends? That is so thoughtful. There. Walter's not here right now, but these are so cute. Oh, and they're only 3 calories. Perfect, because he is always on a diet. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, this is never ending. Ooh, some masks. 3 triple masking kits. Ooh, for my eyes. Ooh, there's 3. I once watched this video about Huda Beauty like doing masks on an airplane, and I'm about to get on a plane tomorrow. Oh, Trader Joe's facial rose water. This is so cute. Let's do it over here. Oh, that smells so good. That is so nice. Oh, that's like amazing. Last thing. Oh, let's stay home. This is adorable, and I think that this is from Target. This just looks like a Target thing. Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you so much, Alex. This is the best. She like knows me so well. It's crazy we talk about this, but I feel like we know each other, but we've never met. But we literally call each other on the phone, text all the time, and send each other packages. Oh, thank you so much, Alex. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, go over to her channel. I sent her a box of some Canadian goodies. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you again for another Vlogmas video. Bye!